All right, everyone, welcome back. You guys seem to really be loving our deep dives into these animal podcasts. So we're going to keep it going. Today, we're talking all about the flamboyant cuttlefish.
Ooh, fun.
These guys are seriously cool.
I know, right?
And we found a great episode of Animals Wonders that breaks down all the details.
Nice.
I mean, have you ever seen a flamboyant cuttlefish?
Yeah, like in videos and stuff?
Yeah, they're like little underwater disco balls.
They're crazy.
They change colors so fast, it's insane.
Like faster than we can even think.
Exactly. So the podcast, it really emphasized how important this color-changing ability is for their survival.
Oh, absolutely.
It's not just about looking pretty.
Right.
It's about staying alive.
Yeah.
They have these special cells called chromatophores, and I was wondering, do those work like tiny biological LEDs?
Not exactly LEDs.
Okay.
More like, imagine a tiny sack of pigment
Okay.
surrounded by muscle fibers.
Right.
And when those muscles contract, they stretch the pigment sac, making the color brighter.
Wow.
And when the muscles relax, the color fades.
So it's like a muscle-powered color show.
Yeah, exactly. And their nervous system control it all, so they can create these super fast and intricate displays.
It's like an orchestra of color conducted by their brain.
I like that.
So all this color changing, it's for a few reasons, right? Camouflage, communication, and even defense.
You got it.
Let's start with camouflage. They can literally disappear into the background.
Yeah, they blend in perfectly with the seafloor.
The podcast compared it to, like, changing your outfit to avoid awkward situations.
Haha, love that.
But it's not just about blending in.
Nope.
What about communication? How do they use color for that?
Well, they might flash certain colors to attract mates or warn others about danger.
Like a secret code.
Yeah, a silent language written in color. The podcast mentioned they might signal they're ready to mate by, like, sending a wave of color down their bodies.
Seriously.
Yeah, and if they're threatened, they might flash bright red spots like a warning signal.
It makes you wonder, could we humans ever communicate like that? Just with visuals.
That's a good question.
The podcast also talked about the dazzling display. That's for defense, right?
Right, that's where they rapidly change colors.
And that confuses predators.
Totally. Imagine you're a predator focused on your prey,
Yeah.
and suddenly, bam, this explosion of color, stripes, and spots. It's like sensory overload.
They can't even track the cuttlefish.
Exactly. Plus, they might even be mimicking poisonous animals with those patterns.
So it's like, hey, I'm dangerous, don't mess with me.
Exactly. It's a really effective defense mechanism.
Confuse, disorient, and maybe even scare them off.
Pretty smart, right?
The flamboyant cuttlefish is like a master of survival.
It really is.
Makes you think, what if we could change colors like that?
Oh, wow.
What would we use it for? Camouflage, communication, something else entirely.
I don't know, but it's a fascinating thought.
Seriously, it just shows you how amazing nature can be.
Definitely. There's so much to learn from the animal world if we just pay attention.
Absolutely.
Now it's your turn, listeners. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing your take on these animal wonders. And if you enjoyed our chat, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this episode with your friends.
Thanks for joining us on Animal Wonders. Stay curious, and until next time, keep wondering about the wild world around you.